everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the drop it add-on. So basically, if you go to edit and preferences, the drop it link to download in the description below. So first we're going to do drop it, make sure it is triggered, and then we're going to go bring this thing up, GZ, and then if I right click, there is the drop it and there's a shortcut V. So if we go like that, and you could do it with different objects. So if I go GZ, GY, and then I say, oh yeah, I want to drop this little plane on top of this cube, I could just do V, and then it dropped it on our cube. And then if I say, oh yeah, let's do Control J to join, and then bring this up, G, Z, and then Shift D, and do it there, R, X, 180, R, X, 180, and then bring it down here. I could say, okay, let's go and drop it, and as you can see, it dropped it the opposite way. So let's just go turn this the right way around and V, and it keeps on doing this. Why is that? It's because this is the normal face, so we basically have to change it. So if I do this one more time and bring this up, V, and then I could say drop it, it drops on top, and this kind of looks really nice, kind of like a little stack of cubes on top of each other. So that's basically how the drop it add-on works. Pretty basic and simple. And if you want to drop other stuff on top of each other, like here's another example. So basically, let's add a cube, GX, bring this cube over here, V, Shift D, Z, V, and then we could go and add a cone, and then G, Z, and then V it, and then you get a basic tower. So that's all you get, and that's all you need to know about the drop it add-on. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.